To make simple brownies, first gather your materials. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9x9 baking tray that's about an inch deep with a bit of butter, or even a butter wrapper. Then, line the pan with parchment paper or aluminum foil. In a small pan over low heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. If your butter is at room temperature, it'll melt faster. Otherwise, it should only take a minute or 2. While the butter is melting, mix 1 cup of cast sugar and 2 eggs in a separate bowl until they're completely mixed. You can use a wooden spoon, a whisk, or even an electric mixer. Now, pour your melted butter into the sugar and egg mixture. Mix it together until you get a creamy, light yellow mixture. In another bowl, mix a 1/4 cup of flour and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sift the cocoa mixture into the egg mixture a little at a time. Sifting allows air to get into the batter, making for extra fluffy brownies. Next, mix in 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. You can use regular chocolate chips or mini ones for more chocolate in every bite. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even go for white chocolate chips. Finally, pour the mixture into the greased pan and use a flat plastic spatula or a knife to even it out. Try to spread it as evenly as you can so the brownies are all the same thickness. Put the tray on the middle rack of your oven and bake for 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, check on the brownies to see if they're done. When they are, take them out and let them cool for at least 5 minutes. Letting the brownies cool lets them harden up so they're easier to cut. Cut the brownies to your preferred size and sprinkle them with confectioner's sugar for an extra sweet taste.